guests, members of the press, and valued partners, I would like to present to you the Incident Management Center powered by AxxonSoft. Today marks a significant day in South Africa because the Incident Management Center is going to change how security is done forever. The AxxonSoft Incident Management Project has been in the making for over 3 years and marketed as the IMC for the past few months. It is first of its kind of this caliber provided by the private sector and proudly brought to you in partnership with AxxonSoft Southern Africa and the SADC region. The IMC is a revolutionary national monitoring facility that is based in Pretoria, which provides intelligent insights to all customers based on metadata collected from thousands of systems and independent devices around this country. The systems helps business prepare for possible breaches. If you've not yet had the opportunity to explore our technology, I invite you to do so today. We will also introduce to you our partnerships and integrations that we have with some of the leading vendors in South Africa, like Dahua, Hikvision, Uniview, Access, to name but a few. Ladies and gentlemen, our goal with the Incident Management Center is to make South Africa a safer and smarter country for all of us. But before I get into the detail of the IMC, I want to share our conclusions of the business and the security industry, which has been based on over 20 years' experience. Having security cameras installed as a deterrent is no longer an effective security strategy. Watching an event after the breach has occurred is only one way of using CCTV. The other is learning to respond at the time of that incident and going forward by using deep learning in your business, thereby allowing the opportunity for your business to prepare for breaches. The CCTV market is an extremely competitive industry, and the vendors and innovators are out there making sure that they have the competitive edge. Unfortunately, many of these new innovations cannot be retrofitted to the current investment that your company has already made. I cannot tell you how many clients we have asked and helped do more with fewer cameras. Security, as a broad term, is very much a technical business. It requires thorough understanding, server infrastructure, storage, and how all of these components play together to deliver the optimal and effective service. And of course, learning how to scale new technology like artificial intelligence. More prevalence demands more power, more processing power, and so on. Our world is becoming one where software is a service. The same is true for surveillance. Businesses are less willing and interested in making the required investment and taking the risks that come with managing their own surveillance center. With all of this in mind, we set out to completely transform the security industry, bringing a solution and service that is designed with a purpose. For various industry verticals, modeled to allow the reseller community to partner with us and offer this revolutionary center and surveillance center to your customers. The IMC has been built on a fully redundant, resilient, and secure enterprise infrastructure, and undoubtedly on the best IP transit network in South Africa. This allows any client using a stable internet connection to integrate with us and get all the benefits we offer at the IMC. We have spared no expense to deliver the best service, so you don't have to pay for that. At its core, the IMC uses patent-proven technology to enable safer cities for South Africans. Just as AxxonSoft has delivered over 150 safe city projects worldwide. Safe City projects have resulted in the civil society reclaiming their streets, driving the reduction of crime, stopping of hijacking. And we at the IMC are going to deliver this to South Africa today. As a service, the IMC has been developed in a manner that allows you to subscribe to the components that are relevant to your business. This OpEx-based management service provides the lowest total cost of ownership, since you leverage off the investment that we have made into the facility and into the infrastructure. Ladies and gentlemen, the South African business environment has over 1 million cameras installed, mostly operating independently for your own individual business. If we can bring all of this power together, once and for all, we will have a safer South Africa. Please allow a member of my team the opportunity to connect with you personally and get you on the highway to success. As I promise you, once you have seen what the IMC can do for you, it will be your point of no return. My name is Colleen Glaeser. I'm the Managing Director of AxxonSoft Southern Africa and the SADC regions, and I welcome you to the official launch of the IMC. Please charge your glasses and let's drink to the IMC.